Minasan, konnichiwa. Samurai Engineer desu. Let us discuss NFPA101 Life Safety Code definitions. So, today, let us talk about the Chapter 3.1 General. Words or terms used in the code that fall outside generally accepted meanings or dictionary definitions, or otherwise require a clarification. When a word is not defined, the code intends for user to employ the definition in Merriam-Webster Dictionary, the 11th edition, because we are talking of NFPA 101 year 2018. For example, when we talk about this, let us an example exit. That portion of a means of egress that is separated from all other spaces of the building or structure by construction, location, or equipment as required to provide a protected way of travel to the exit discharge. This is very specific because if we look at the dictionary, there are several definitions of exit. So this is one way of fixing a definition for which this code will use in its coverage of this topic of life safety. Okay? And in Japanese, it is called Seimei Anzen Kodo. Seimei Anzen Kodo. And that is a literal translation because there is no NFPA 101 in Japan. That is literal translation. They have a code which is called fire code in Japan, which is actually called Boka Kodo. Boka Kodo. That's all. And thank you for patronizing our free tutorial videos.